Hey everyone, today we're tackling a critical question for Americans planning a move to Portugal. Should you sell your US home before or after you relocate? So stick around. So if you're planning to sell your US home at some point after moving to Portugal, the answer is simple. Yes, sell it before you move if possible. Why? It all comes down to the Section 121 capital gains exclusion, which can save you a massive amount of money. So here's how it works. Under 121 of the US tax code, you can exclude up to $250,000 in capital gains if you're single, or up to $500,000 if you're married filing jointly when you sell your primary residence. But there's a catch. To qualify, you need to pass two tests, the ownership test and the use test. Basically, you must have owned and used the home as your main residence for at least 2 years out of the 5 years before you sell it. Got that? So the good news is those 2 years don't have to be consecutive, and the ownership and use periods can be different. So why not wait until after you move and become a Portuguese resident? Here's the problem. Once you establish tax residency in Portugal, that wonderful Section 121 exclusion doesn't apply anymore. Portugal will tax your capital gains from the home sale at their rate, which is typically 28% for long-term capital gains. So let me break down what that means in real numbers. If you're a married couple with $500,000 in capital gains that would normally be completely tax-free in the US, you could be facing a tax bill of up to $140,000 in Portugal. That's a huge chunk of your home equity gone. So the bottom line, if you know that you're going to sell your US home eventually, do it before you establish Portuguese tax residency. Take advantage of that Section 121 exclusion while you still can, and keep that money in your pocket for your new life in Portugal. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more expat tax tips. And as always, consult with a tax professional who specializes in international taxation before making any major decisions. See you in that next video.